After COVID-19 emerged, I suppose there was a little bit of a sense of panic around the place. Nobody knew what to expect for the next few months or the next few weeks.
My memory of it is of a lot of chaos and disorder as we tried to deal with something very new. But we felt that there was something we could do to help with the state response to the effort.
We were really a group of, I suppose, interdisciplinary individuals working together with the objective of trying to solve the information problems that were going on within the health sector at that point.
Our existing relationship with customers was absolutely critical because what we needed was the political connections, the social connections, even because we had the technology, we had the people.
The COVID-19 dashboard was used by the general public. The purpose of it was for the general public to be able to access the most important figures during the early days of the COVID-19 pandemic in Ireland. The benefit of using the COVID-19 dashboard is that it simplified the COVID-19 data statistics for the general public to see and use, and it represented the key metrics that were available at the time for the public use.
ArcGeo's Hub is a community engagement platform that organises people, data and tools around information-driven initiatives. We chose ArcGeo's Hub because it was a great way of sharing information and engaging with the people. The ability to create websites very quickly with ArcGeo's Hub was also key. We needed to create a COVID-19 data hub very quickly to share the information with the public.
The CMO Hub was a hub that was specifically designed for the Chief Medical Officer and the members of NEFIT and other government decision makers. It helped us overcome the challenge of having some information that was perhaps not suitable for public consumption, and we needed this to be in a different format and somewhere that we could present only to a select group of people rather than just include it in the public hub itself.
So the Garda Information app was developed so Garda Síochána could visualise, monitor and compare 7-day rolling traffic counts across the country during the COVID lockdowns. So it involved data processing, data updates and visualising the data on web maps and web applications.
The technology that we used in this case was we used our software as a service, ArcGIS Online, and we used ArcGIS dashboards within that to surface the information from the traffic counters. Garda Síochána has a finite amount of resources that they have to deploy strategically. The dashboard provided them with the information that they needed to identify problem areas, which they can then target with their resources that they have.
It was great to make something that was actually used and referred to. It provided a trustworthy one-source statistics information place for decision makers and the public alike.
The COVID-19 Public Data Hub is built using ArcGIS Hub, and the data and content that you can see there is all hosted in ArcGIS Online. It became that one source of truth for COVID-19 data in Ireland. We all had so much news and information coming to us, so at least with this one site we had that one place where everybody in Ireland could find the most up-to-date data and just know that no matter what else they were hearing, that the hub was there with that data for them.